With good-looking street appeal and blessed with an enviable 810 square metre allotment, this West End girl has a lot to flaunt. A tasteful colour palette, gleaming timber floorboards and casement windows scream potential. This is the perfect starter or the perfect real estate destination. 2 bedrooms with built-in robes and air conditioning, plus a study or playroom as it is currently used. A modern character bathroom with freestanding bath, separate shower and feature chandelier. This retro kitchen is spacious with plenty of benchtop space and awaits your own personal touches. Outside is the rear entertainment area, complete with this large outdoor umbrella. And this home sits on a generous and well-established 810 square metre allotment. There are so many options with this fabulous property, and it's at a fantastic location, very close to the city, Strand and Castle Hill.